In this tutorial, I'm gonna be showing you how to easily change your Apple Watch hand or wrist detection. So as you can see, currently I'm wearing my Apple Watch on my left hand, left wrist, and the crown is in this right hand side. Now let's see how to easily change this hand detection or wrist detection. So we can easily wear the Apple Watch on our right hand. Press the crown to go to your Apple Watch app library and open the settings app. In settings, you have to scroll down and open general. In general settings, open orientation. And here we can see the wrist section. So currently or my Apple Watch on my left wrist. So now I'm just selecting here right wrist. And here scroll down and digital crown. Let's select here left side. And then I'm just removing my watch from my left hand. And now I can easily use my Apple Watch on my right hand just like this. So that's how you can actually change our Apple Watch hand or wrist detection. Thanks for watching.